If you're experiencing a verification pending status with Bank OZK, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have checked your email for any messages from Bank OZK regarding your account verification. They may have sent instructions or requested additional information. Step 2. Log into your account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use OZK to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Review account information. Once logged in, review your account information for any discrepancies. Ensure that your personal details, such as your name, address, and phone number, are accurate and up to date. Step 4. Submit required documents. If the bank has requested specific documents for verification, gather and submit them as instructed. This may include identification, proof of address, or other relevant information. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the verification status remains pending after following the previous steps, reach out to Bank OZK's customer support. They can provide updates and assist you in resolving any outstanding issues. By following these steps, you should be able to address the verification pending status effectively. If problems persist, maintaining communication with customer support will be key to finding a resolution.